this staircase. So yeah, the 12th of October 2022. This is Aleksanterinkatu, 30 staircase B. And Calculator 86 has filmed the staircase A before, but I also need to film it later.
Yeah.
But 2 out of 4 are filmed.
Yeah.
Like in overall.
Yeah.
Still C and D I also need to film later here. It's quite beautiful. I like this interior a lot.
Yes, sir.
It was built in 1951, raised in 2005. But the basement door is locked off. That's open, I mean.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's open through the basement. Let's see. It will be inspected in the next year, 2023. Here in Lahti, Lahti's Finland. It has 2 rights also.
Yeah.
Not sure if it, but let's see.
No.
No, it's not no. Only separate.
Yeah.
We have to turn the lights here.
Yeah.
Let's do 2 rights.
Yeah.
6 floors here. The capacity is 4 per 20 grams. Turned 17 years old in last year, 2021. Modernized turned 15 years old in 2020. I'd like the light to turn on here. I would like it to turn on because outside this is region finish.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I think after this elevated you have to hurry up for the local train.
Ispätliitpaakin väistytään meidän pakoon.
I will have 2 more hours to try a bit. But it sure was an amazing day because we got some very rare elevators also.
Yeah.
And almost 30 elevators in one day. Also, it's very interesting that the manual door at each of the staircases are glazed, but on the rest of the floors they're net doors.
Yeah.
But even here, the basement floor is not like a white door or something.
Yeah.
It's a bit strange, but unusual. But yeah. Hissinhuolto originally.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for changing it. I hope I'll get to the stakes.